Construction projects tend to be projects with a lot of moving parts, labor, material, and scheduling constraints. If you don't plan all of those issues out ahead of time, then you're doomed for failure out in the field.
.4D is, in essence, in its basic sense, space and time. In construction, 4D is used for our ability to plan and schedule in a visual environment so that as we plan our activities, duration, set duration, and our logic, our creative approach to a project, we're able to see it in real time in the computer environment.
Synchro gives the guys who are going to do the work a solid understanding of what the schedule means. We bring in the experts in the field, they tell us their challenges, we make changes, show them options, and then they confirm, yes, this is what we plan to do.
If 4D is done right, we can use it as a planning tool to identify safety issues and then actually flag those issues inside the model.
For us, nothing is more important than safety. We have hard data for the exact same scope of work between the fall 2012 outage and the fall 2014 outage. Visualization and simulation provided so much better communication about safety and risk. The team went from 10 dropped objects to none, 3 recordable injuries to none, and 1 near miss to none. The most expensive decision you can make on a complicated project is a decision to not use 4D.
We're able to catch things sooner that we wouldn't have caught earlier before, and we're also able to explain to the client who sometimes has trouble visualizing in 2D but can clearly see what's happening in 3D, why certain issues are safety concerns, why there are certain logistics, and why certain things can be done and can't be done.
They can see it, they can understand it, the schedule is no longer a mystery, there's no longer a disagreement. This is what the schedule says, we watch it, yes, this is what we're saying we're going to do. As they collectively saw the 4D model, there was this sense of belief that yes, we can do this. And they would go out 6 days later and do it.
Very important that your client is updated regularly about what's happening to schedule, what's happening to cost, and what's happening to the scope of their work. The Synchro BIM 4D, 5D product that we're using allows us on a monthly basis to update our client in all 3 areas. Our delivery team, Suffolk, loves it. We think that it allows us to run our projects better. It allows us to make our subcontractors smarter. And it's impressive for our clients to see us using the system. So our team embraces it and loves it and wants to do as much of it as possible.
We can see our future, our present, and our past for the purposes of understanding from the very beginning of a project to the end of the project and beyond the end of the project during operations and maintenance. We are able to see the future through this planning environment as well as our present. We plan performance for a project. We plan approaches for a project. And this process of understanding our future, our present, and our past for learning, our present for adjustment, and our future for being able to see the context of the project from day 1 to the end is why Synchro is important.